How to make unlimited Gmail account without phone number. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make unlimited Gmail accounts without phone number verification. So let's get started. First of all, you can sign into your Google account when you open your search engine. I'm having Google Chrome here right now. And once you do so, you're going to click on the search bar and then you're going to search for Gmail generator, and after that just hit enter. Now you'll be able to see this appear over here that says mailmeteor.com. You can also use many of other websites. This is not a sponsored video, but however I suggest this one because it's really good and reliable. So here what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to click on sign in over here at the top right. So once you click on sign in, you're going to sign in with your Google account. So you need to sign in with any existing account you have on Google because the new email addresses will be linked with this one. So what you're going to do is then you can come back to your dashboard. So once you log in, what you're going to do is over here, you're going to enter your email address. So I'm going to type in my existing email address over here. And once you do so, you're going to click on generate. And here you'll be able to see 256 number of possible aliases that you have created using your account. So what you're going to do is simple. You can see that these are the emails that have been generated. So now if you wish to send an email to it, you can simply copy one of these addresses. You can simply copy all of these addresses and paste it in a notepad for your own record. And here I'm gonna try sending an email to this account, and I'm gonna type in like hi and then press send, and I'll wait for it to open. And now here you can see that this was the email that I received, and it was sent to emma47913.3. so you can see there is a dot, whereas my email address doesn't contain a dot. So here you can see there is not a dot. That means the email was sent to the new account. All of the emails that a person sends to one of these would be sent to your original account. So that is basically how you can make unlimited Gmail accounts without phone number verification. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.